Hey, it's Daryl, and we've just driven here to try out this charger. So this is one of Spark's spark plug chargers, and the spark plug chargers are at these phone boxes. And so we've prepared with, here's the charger unit, here's the cable. Yeah, so here's the car. So we open this and open up the little already pre-done mat, and now I'll just grab the cable. Without reading the instructions, I'm going to cable backwards from the car to the charger, which will no doubt be the wrong way round once I get there. Yeah, untangling. Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, and then over to here, which fortunately has come out at exactly the right angle. There's a little thing in here, and then put that in. Oh yeah, and the lights are lighting up, so that's charging. If you're going to walk away from your car, you want to set your switch on the inside of your car to lock so that people can't unplug and steal your cable. So I'll just show you how to do that if you've got a Nissan Leaf. So inside the car, you've got these switches here, and there's this one here which has got lock and auto. And so if you change it to lock, that means you can only unplug your cable from the front of the car if you press the unlock button on your remote. If you put it on auto, the car should lock the connector in until the battery's charged, and then it will unlock. But you don't want to do that, because that means that if your car fully charges while you're plugged in, people can steal your cable. So you want to leave it on lock if you're going to go away from your car and go and get a cup of coffee or go to the shops or whatever. So we're going to do that. So I'm just going to test this. So the setting is set to lock, and I can't unplug this cable, which means that no one can steal the cable.